Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island. Well, stuck with you guys that we are always smiling. This morning I am super nervous because we are in a bus right now heading up into the mountains for a total of a 6-hour hike, yo. First of all, I did no research on what bugs or spiders or wild animals that Colombia has, but yeah, we're heading off to the mountains. And hopefully it's going to be a nice, sweet ending because I believe that there should be a waterfall on the way to where we're going to. So, trod with me and let's do this. All right, so yeah, I'm here with Kim today. She's been trying to get me on this hike for the past 2 weeks. Two weeks, but I'm finally here. This is a beef empanada that I'm about to have. We are at El Salado at the moment. Now there's two things you need to notice about Colombians, and one, they love dogs. Like I would say out of every 10 Colombian, there's probably gonna be like 7 that has their dogs, and they always bring them with them. And the next thing is that these people are very big in fitness. If you look around, you might see people with their bikes parked up, people running up the mountains. It is something here, man. But anyway, I'm gonna have this empanada. And again, I am nervous for this walk. I have no clue what to expect, but I'm almost certain it's going to be a very happy ending.
Breed, so like golden retriever, Labrador. Oh, it's kind of a mix.
Para
Your animal power today is...
Para mí, yo soy una tortuga.
Muy bien.
Sí. Yeah, so why? I like how they can adapt. They're slow, but they get it done. Suave. Slow and steady. So the company that I'm with right now is called the Nawl Walkers, and basically they speak about like tapping into animal transformative powers. So you just choose an animal that you like, and then you use that mentality to get through the hike. So, let's do it.
En este momento estamos en el municipio de Envigado, ¿cierto? Entonces, haz una breve introducción para los que no hablan español, por favor.
Hello.
Hello.
My name is Kevin, her name is Paulo. We are Nawl Walkers. We are professionals in philosophy. This is philosophical hiking. So we like to share and to spend not only kind of sportive topics, but also talkative topics.
Sí.
We love to talk and to hike while we are sharing the words.
Nice.
Okay, to share between each other. In this moment we are in Envigado.
Envigado.
Okay, and we want to share with you a few of the story of this place, the ancient story.
Sí.
¿Sí?
¿Listo?
Va.
Listo.
Una.
All right, boys and girls, so the hike just started. It's not suave. It's not suave at all. It's already steep. But this is a very diverse group of people. Young, old, male, female, black, white, Chinese. Yeah, so we're gonna get through it, and at the end of it, you guys will see something beautiful, I hope. All right, so this is a guava tree.
Guayaba. Guava en inglés.
¿Ya?
Sí.
En español, guayaba. ¿Sí? Gracias, mi amigo. ¿Es sweet? Oh, ¿sí?
Ya. Es que se caen y se quiebran, pero sí.
No, espera, sí.
Buenas. Yo, Pomeranians and Yorkshire Terriers up in the mountains, yo. Look at them too. Hola, perrito. Hola.
Hola, perros.
Hey. On their body. Alright, this part here is beautiful. Looks like wild cane bush. Actually, no. Sugar cane. Where's the English guy?
Caña.
Caña. Sí? Caña? Sí. Okay, caña.
Caña de azúcar.
Caña dulce. Sí. Sí.
This plant extracts the sugar.
Sugar. Caña.
Caña.
Sí.
Sí, es caña de azúcar.
All right, so just in case you might be wondering, most of these excursions, they're offered in dual languages. So English and of course Spanish. So that's a good plus. Wake up. Get up. Oh. It's good. You have the beautiful view up there, man. See?
See. How are you?
Good.
How is it going?
Perfect.
Perfect.
See?
Cool. It's very beautiful place.
Very.
This is one of my favorite hikes. Close to the sea.
How often do you hike?
Every weekend.
Every weekend.
See, every weekend, 2 days per week.
2 days per week.
See. Tomorrow we're going to have a different one.
Practically next door.
I think we're considering it.
Huh?
I think we're considering another one tomorrow.
See?
Let's see how this one goes. So this is Colombian black chocolate?
Dark.
Dark. Okay. Single origin. Single origin. Okay. So we got this from one of the guys on the tour. This is a regular patron. And he says you have energy. I brought some Nutri, what's it called again? Nature Valley and some drinks. So yeah. Wow. Very berry flavored. It's good. Oh, it's beautiful. It's good. It's very good. The berries complement the darkness, the bitterness of the dark chocolate very well. Grandpa start out with the walking stick. Now once the blood start flow, the man just says, yeah. Yeah, look at the man. Look at him. Can we move back out that way? Watch out. Clean. One step. Then dead. I'm gone. So the temperature is dropping right now, guys. And it makes me want to keep moving. Keep on. Calma. Steady breaths. Con gusto. This is a very unique hike. Some nice little narrow ways. Yeah. The best part about it is it's not so hot. That's good.
I was explaining before that these paths come from the natives
Okay.
long time ago.
So they made these pathways.
The natives.
Okay.
That's why they're like sacred paths.
Nice.
They were made by a tribe that is called Aburrais.
Okay.
Aburrais.
¿Cómo se dice en inglés?
No, it's a typical name
Okay.
of the indigenous from here.
Okay.
Like Cherokees or
Cherokee.
whatever.
Okay.
But Aburrais. And that's why all this valley, where Medellin, Envigado, and all of the cities are, is called Valle de Aburrá.
See. Wow. Are they still here?
No,
No.
no. Spanish killed them all,
Oh, that's sad.
or absorbed their culture.
Yeah. Keep going. Come on, Black Panther. That's what you told him that you are.
Do you hike often? No. risky choosing this hike
Oh yeah. Should have done it 2 weeks ago.
because it's 10 kilometers.
10 kilometers.
I didn't hear that.
Nice. Esta es muy montañoso aquí.
Montañoso.
Montañoso aquí.
Sí.
Sí. Excelente. Exercise.
Sí, muy buen ejercicio.
No,
Very good sport.
En español, exercise.
Ajá. Ejercicio.
Ejercicio. Ejercicio. Huh. Let me see what my heart rate is. This man just did a hula hula hoo. Goddamn. Okay, so it says 15 minutes ago my heart rate was at 178 beats per minute. That's a lot. I think at rest it's like at 60 something. It's 178. Currently 171. All right, so on this hike, they give you some requirements, and one of them to make sure you bring at least 2 liters of water. You've been hearing the video, and if you can hear, there's some ice shaking in the background, and that's my coldless water bottle. If you guys want to grab one of those, the link is always in the description box. You guys can get a bottle and every single bottle that you buy. I do to get a kickback to, do more awesome videos like these. I think this one is a 64 ounce. I'm not sure how many liters that is. It's probably at least 1. And yeah, I'm gonna have cool water on this beautiful hike here. Yeah, and inside it, I don't just have water. I have some pre-workout to give me some, some energy as I'm on this hike. All right, we continue. Don't pick it, no. What is it? Is it mora?
Esas sí se pueden comer, son moras silvestres.
Mora.
Pero esta.
Esta?
Esta ya está madura.
Okay. Mora.
Sí.
Similar or mora?
No, esa, exacto.
It's nice?
Yes.
Oh, mora. Mora in Espanol is blackberry. Yeah.
Blackberry.
Yeah, blackberry.
Así, blueberry es arándano.
Ooh! It's very tart. But a sweet.
I feel like this is the plant that the lady used to kill her husband and one of them showed it. That blue flowers thing. Sorry.
Wow. This is beautiful.
Sí.
Sí, más hermosa. Or más linda.
Muy hermoso.
Muy, very. Muy. Más means more.
Más
More, sí. Bonito. Bonito. Muy bonito. Good job.
El bosque,
Wow.
the forest in the mountains, in the Andean mountains, yes, is
Muy bonito.
the forest, the trees, the pines
Are a depressing forest
Ajá.
because they don't have many colors.
Porque no tiene casi colores. El bosque andino, por el contrario, todas las cimas son llenas de colores como lo pueden ver. Aquí vamos a ir a la primera cascada. ¿Listo? Vamos a ir a bañarnos.
Bañemos.
A John que le gusta.
Oh, snap. We are at a waterfall.
Vamos a la de mi papá y después a la de él.
Oh. Yo. Gracias. Check that out, guys. It's so nice and cool. All that wind from the waterfall. But probably my favorite part is seeing like there's like 2 birds' nests just hanging, like just suspended. I have no clue what bird it is, but it looks really cool. And they probably have one of the best homes out there, yo. Nicest view ever. All right, so we learned that the bird that I mentioned before, like the bird houses, they're called oropendula, and they say that these birds are monogamous. So once they lose their partner, that's it. They'll just live the rest of their life, yeah, as a gelding. So. Oh, yeah. Oh my God, that's cold. Yeah, that's good. Guys, you only live once, and I only brought 1 trunk, so
We only live
yeah, we only live once. Shoot, let's do it.
Fucking cold.
It's cold?
It's freezing.
Let's go. All right, so I didn't come to Colombia to muck around, man. You know, came here to have a good time. I've been in colder water still in Jamaica, but this is. Yo, my bones are actually freezing. Like I feel them aching.
My bones hurt.
I feel my bones. Guys, literally, my bones are aching. It is muy frío. Congelado. Congelado. It's freezing. Congelado. Freezing. But my body feels refreshed. It's like therapy. Okay.
Rejuvenece. Like it makes you younger. Rejuvenece.
Colombia, very first waterfall. Tres más. Let's go. Our tour guide.
Yeah, he would.
Yeah, buddy. Come on, Kimberly from Jamaica. Let's go. Vamos. Come on, come. They said to come with good energy, mass energy. Oh my God. Woo. It is an experience, guys. Woo. Congelado.
But 3 years younger.
I think I'll have some of that too.
Aunque vengamos de la ciudad, debemos tener presente que nuestra casa es la naturaleza. Este no es nuestro sitio de visita, por el contrario. Los sitios de visita son las grandes ciudades y las grandes cosmopolitas.
Actually going like back to where we are. Actually
That was a good little warm. It only lasted maybe 20 seconds. But okay. Alright, so just in case you guys couldn't hear me under the waterfall, the water is very, very cold, unassumably. Like when I first put my feet in, I was like, okay, I've been in colder water, but it was literally bone chilling cold just now. But you know, that's good. It's almost like having a milder ice bath. It's probably the longest hike I've ever been in my life, and I feel good about it. I'm very enthused. Definitely going to invest in hiking shoes for sure. It's good to be in, you know, nature in a different country. This man did not start blowing on his harmonica. Continue! Keep the beat pumping! Wait, let me go closer. Sure.
¿Estás muy cansada, en serio?
Muy cansada.
Lazy.
No.
She ran. Corre.
Sí.
Montenacio. Sí.
¿Montañas?
Sí. Corre.
A little bit.
Poquito.
Okay. Cool.
Can I sit?
Sí.
Yeah, ask permission.
Yeah. I mean, I want to say, oh.
¿Cómo vas?
Bien. Es que estaba cansada, sentía que los muslos no me estaban. Entonces cuando fui a subir la loma sentía que el pie no me apoyaba bien, como que no sabía, porque no lo sentía. Entonces yo como que sí estoy bien parado como para hacer la fuerza, o no sabía.
¿Quieres probar?
Some of the good stuff.
Sí.
Explain. You say, what does it do? Give me.
Explícale a él, por favor.
Oh,
Okay. Mambe is ancient medicine used by indigenous people, as I told you. It's coca leaves making dust, and you mix it with the ashes of that tree, yarumo. So when you mix it, it has power to make you more awake, to don't feel hungry, and it helps you with the altitude sickness. So it's full of vitamin. It has a lot of calcium. In the old times here in America, we didn't have cows, so the principal source of calcium is coca,
Coca.
the tree of coca. So coca is sacred plant for indigenous people here, and yes, it's very respectful. I will teach you how to.
See.
Don't smell this.
It smells bad?
Coca is no cocaine.
Okay. Oh, got it.
So, yes, with respect, you put here and in your, what's the name for this?
Cheek.
Cheek? In your cheek.
It has to be like in your gums, like between your gums and...
On the cheek. Okay. No swallow.
So, hello, I am the turtle. I have tasted coca leaves, mambe.
Do I spit it out after or just keep it?
No, keep it.
I still have it, and I put it down there.
You can feel your tongue like very damp.
Yes,
See?
Keep it forever.
almost. until it's gone, but it will be gone on its own.
Okay.
Like you don't have to swallow it.
Okay.
Por favor. This is meditation, not picnic. El otro día que nos bañamos en la misma cascada era cambiando y que yo nunca he visto un culo chino.
Bueno, por favor, todos.
Close your eyes, please. Y vamos a concentrarnos en nuestra respiración. El primer ejercicio que vamos a realizar va a ser hacernos conscientes de nuestra respiración. Inhalamos, retenemos y exhalamos lentamente. Recuerden los olores a tierra que les gustaban cuando eran niños, los sabores a fruta, cuando eran nuevos, el olor del sol, que era más fuerte.
Y es divertido con las manos.
Y el inglés de los jamaiquinos es el mismo, o el Kenia y eso.
No, es diferente. Ellos tienen...
Oh, so I still have this coca thing in my mouth. How does it feel? It feels like ashes, bro. But I'm kind of getting accustomed to having it through one part of the cheek. Now, one thing to mention, sometimes I see people talk about in Colombia how they share food or whatever on COVID. I ain't gonna lie, that is a big factor. But the people here, when it comes on to sharing things, it's almost similar to my experience in Ghana, where people are not as scornful, as you guys could have seen, you know, just like spoon to spoon. I mean, you try not to let it hit your mouth, but you guys get the idea. But yeah, I'm just trying my best to really dwell in the culture some more. It's the same thing when people come to Jamaica. I really hope that they enjoy the country as much as I do, and you know, bask in our culture as well. So I'm just doing the same. Anyway, the guys are leaving me, so I'll catch you on the next stop. Okay, so around me, you guys are gonna see like a lot of pine trees. They are not native to Colombia. Settlers actually carried them here because, oh yeah, that's just a feather in my head. I put it there purposely. Yeah, they carried it to Colombia because pine trees grow really fast. So it's gonna be quick and easy lumber to grow things. Yeah, how many minutes in am I? Un momento. Wow. So on the hike so far, we've been out here for 2 hours and 47 minutes. But I feel good. The coca, I don't know if it's doing something, but it's good. The hike, they don't over pressure you. They give a good pace, I would say. There's moments to break, meditate and stuff like that.
Acá tiene muchas parejas. Que usted tiene aquí muchas parejas que van a querer tallar el nombre.
Okay. That tree is called higuerón.
El árbol como tal
It is
no es que sea macho o
tree
hembra, sino que
that
sus
walks.
frutos pueden
Obviously,
ser
the tree doesn't
machos,
really
pueden
walk,
ser
but what they say is that when
son polinizados
the
por
branch
especies
breaks
específicas.
off, another root will grow.
de
So it's like
Sudamérica y
it appears to be
Centroamérica,
moving.
es
So every
diferente
year,
al que hay en
whenever
la
a
Florida.
root breaks off or whenever it
Porque
does
aquí
break
en los
off,
Estados
it
Unidos,
continues moving.
eh,
So tree that walks.
digamos,
Interesting.
los murciélagos.
We are above the caves. No, no lo corte.
Ah, bueno, sí. Esa es la otra. Lo que pasa es que está tan jodida la vaina y gracias.
So throughout the hike, They do that. And I think it's a signal from the front to the back to see how far behind the other people might be lagging. Cool. They do something like that in Jamaica when I go on certain tours as well. They just made us walk through the cave for the fun of it. So we walked to the cave, came back around, and now but it was fun.
Ah, pero no se preocupen, son amables.
Caballo.
The male caballo, the female yegua. But when you see them, you usually just say caballos.
Cuidado con la parte trasera.
You don't specify.
Se está preparando, pa.
And the baby, potro.
Pero la otra es una mula. Eso es una mula.
But you're not supposed to stand behind them, right?
They can kick, but they seem pretty docile though. It's okay. Yo, this is a moment of respect, yo. Like I don't feel like the what you call it, the top of the food chain at this moment, because this dude, he could kick me to smithereens. All right.
Sorry, we messed up your eating. Sorry.
Damn.
No, a la líquida. Pero es muy lúcido. No, más lúcido trae el pato. Más de todo. Mami, lo tengo. Entonces parece lúcido, pero no pasa. Yo tengo una.
Otra conexión más linda, más.
Qué buena idea.
No, a mí me parece que
Bro, this one I make feet. You sitting there, people. Mighty God. Sure. Uy. So right here is where the ancient people used to cook their food. They said that it's been here for over 2,000 years. And I'm lying, nothing like that. Probably somebody came up here and started the camp. But yeah, it's cool seeing that. And we're super high up, like we're twice where I said we were the last time.
¿Pulman en portugués?
Cool.
Topo.
So everyone's eating, and on this trip you can pay for a vegetarian hamburguesa. I think it's like, I don't remember how much pesos, probably 12,000 pesos. And yeah, everybody, some people brought their own food, but yeah, interesting. Okay, let's see how good the chef is. What is in it? Lentils. All right, so we are 2,200 meters up. How does it feel up here, to be honest? It's like a test of endurance, but mild. It was good to get out of the city for a bit and just be in nature and, you know, test your body for a bit. Myself as a content creator,
It can become lazy work if you ask me, because a lot of the times you are sitting around a computer and working remotely. And I know some of you are facing the same things after the COVID. A lot of people now have remote work and you can just sit around a desk and make money. Some people I know will tell me that they don't have the ability to do stuff like this. But like I would tell anyone, if you walk 10 steps more than you do normally, that is more exercise than you did the day before. So nice test for myself, because like I said, I've been sitting around a lot. Your knees start seasoning up, and as you start getting up in age, you start hearing that cricking, bro. So yeah, it was good to feel my body not let me down. Like it feels primed right now. So yeah, and it's so funny, the coca. Yo, that was crazy. I hear that's how they make the leaves, or what they use, in Colombia to make that thing. But I remember back in Mexico, I met a guy from Venezuela, and there was a tea. It tastes almost like matcha. Right now, it's actually still in the side of my jaw, and I don't know if it's giving me energy or what, but I feel okay. And a guy was kind enough to give me a chocolate bar. It's 60% dark chocolate with golden berries. What's the name of your company again? The truck. Can you come and say it, please? Because I can't pronounce. Livana. Okay, so this is Livana. It's a new chocolate that they're producing and testing. Hopefully it will get onto the market and you guys can try it. And the company that I'm with is called Nawl Workers, like I mentioned before. I'll leave the link in the description box so you guys can check it out for yourself. You want a piece?
Gracias.
Y esto es de un solo origen y es orgánico.
Oh, see the berries, the golden berries. Oh.
Que tenga esas dos características. Sale muy claro, sale por encima de los.
Sí, claro. The name, this plant is Drago.
What do they use it for?
See?
What they use it for?
No, only for my
The use is for paint.
It's like an ink.
Right, natural coloring.
Wow.
and it's full of poison. So from now, from now, you have 3 days left.
Oh my God. All right, so we just made it to waterfall number 2. Pretty decent waterfall. This one we will not swim in, it's just to take pictures and look at, but we should go to a bigger one after this, which should be the 3rd and final waterfall.
Okay.
Con gusto.
Es la última.
Sí. Oh, it's colder than the last one. Oh my God.
Way colder.
Way colder.
Way colder.
All right, so this one is also brick cold. Like my ankles already are, yeah. Oh my, no, brother. Yep. Hi. It's cold. It is cold, bro.
I've been in there most of the time. Under the water.
Kid.
Come on. I think he's contemplating, guys.
This is real, bro.
Yeah. Once you get that first dip, you'll be good. Here you go. Take that dive, take that dip. Woo! Hot Jamaica from a school to the waterfall in Colombia. Right! Get it! Sit in it. Get it, get it, get it, get it. Tuck your toes. Come on, take your ice bath challenge.
Wow.
Sino cuando está otro no hay nada. Pero me he dado cuenta que tengo buena tolerancia al frío.
Rhythm, yeah.
So all of us in the same rhythm. So follow me. In Instagram.
¿Pueden traducir también? ¿Nos pueden traducir?
And of course, it started to rain. I don't think I have the best shoes for this. Guys, it's hailing. Look at the ice. What? I have never experienced hail before. Woo! Never experienced hail before, and I'm experiencing it here in Colombia. I just hope I don't fall. I've never been this happy to see the city. And how much more do we have?
Like 3 kilometers?
3 kilometers. Bueno.
¿Cuánto nos falta?
Sí, estoy. De acá, estas contrataciones Santander.
Voy a dejarlo que ya pase.
Y ese tipo lo conocí porque un man ahí.
Existen muchas cosas como, ¿cómo se llaman?
So this hike was completed in 7 hours and 7 minutes. Wow.
Vamos a movimientos en círculos con la cadera.
All right, guys, at this point, I just want to end this video. This was mentally taxing more than tiring. I don't think I was very tired at all, but I probably did like 20,000 steps. I have no clue, but every single one of them on the way back, you had to like think about it because I didn't want to fall. A couple people did fall. I got fortunate that I didn't fall. And thank you to my shoes. I don't know how the shoes did it because it's not hiking shoes, but yeah, I managed. Right now, Kimbati brown. But anyway, yeah, it's a pleasure to be able to travel with someone else, to have someone that you know from your own culture. And I'm gonna be working on something where if you guys want to travel out to Colombia, you want to hang out with me in the future, I'm gonna set it up so that can be possible. If you guys are interested, you can just send me an Instagram message or drop it in the comments. Hopefully in the future, I'd love to take you guys on trips with me. There's more to do in Colombia apart from hiking. There's clubs, there's food, there's street food, there's bro, so much. So I'll gather as much information as I can, and in the future we can definitely do it together. Anyway, remember these 3 things: love, nature, and adaptation. Always remember to keep the link. Boom.